Hey everybody, welcome to Flowers Between Friends. I'm Georgia Edgington, lead designer here at Lenbush Roses.
Kristen Thomas, marketing coordinator here, and we haven't been in the cooler for a really long time. But of course,
so here we
pick
are.
A day. We pick a day, it's not even that hot out,
I
right?
know, it's a beautiful day outside, but we're like, let's just do it in the cooler today.
Yeah. There's actually a lot going on here at Lenbush. Do you want to mention that first before we get into the pretty flowers?
Yes.
Okay.
So you know that a couple weeks ago, we've done a few videos on the flower movement, the great flower movement, I like to call it, but it's the flower movement. Grassroots started here from Worcester, and it's going through our nation the first week of August, the 8th through the 14th. This is a grassroots movement that is just so exciting to bring people collaboratively together as one flower family to just show the impact and beauty of flowers in any way possible that you can, from people picking flowers in their yard and sharing with neighbors, to local retail shops, flower shops, having extra flowers or plants and sharing with their community around them, to a garden club saying, let's go to the local daycare center and plant some seeds with kids. Anything. But this is a grassroots movement. It's really exciting. And anyway, part of the convention is going to be held here at Lenbush starting tomorrow with a tour, and we're actually making a bunch of vases of flowers, donated flowers from one of our vendors, and thank them very much. And we're going to make all these vases, which were also donated by a couple of vendors.
Yeah, people have been very generous.
Very generous. And we're making a couple hundred vases that will be taken to retirement communities in our area to share with them the power of flowers, the smile that it brings to our hearts, and to local food shelves.
I love that.
Real exciting. So there's a lot happening here right now. And
well, we didn't have time to just go and relax in the yard today.
We did it.
We came in the cooler.
So we're in the cooler, bringing you guys the fabulous treats that we have in the cooler this week. Because I mean, there's just so many fun things right now.
Georgia and I have been running around. Poor Sarah had to wait for us because we're like, one more thing. It's just so many pretty things today, for sure.
There surely are. So.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Well, I know, and I thought, here I am picking gladiolas, right? We think that is just the most basic thing ever, but they were so beautiful, and that literally is what George and I both did. We went through the cooler and like, what is catching our eye? And gladiolas caught my eye. They
Grandma's garden
beautiful.
Gladiolas are not just for grandma.
They are not.
Those are just amazingly
gorgeous.
They are
so pretty, and honestly, I just feel like gladiolas are such a beautiful flower.
They are.
We're so beyond like the whole funeral flower thing.
They're just not. They are an elegant flower. They're beautiful.
I agree. I like to cut it in half and use them shorter, so you can almost get 2 cuts from them.
Absolutely.
So anyway,
definitely do that, and they're amazing.
I can move this over.
We're sticking right along with that color palette. Look at here at this beautiful blue anemone and blue Tweedia. Just look at how beautiful they are. The heads on the anemone are just amazing, Kristen. And look at the stems. They're beautiful stems.
Yes, thick.
And this Tweedia is beautiful, so full of so many blooms.
I love that Tweedia.
And it's at a really good stage. And Tweedia actually holds better than people give it credit.
I haven't had a lot of experience with it in a vase, so that's good to know.
It does.
I just love the color.
Yeah, it's so pretty. And right along with it, we want to jump over to something here.
Sure. Do you want to go in front of me? Well, this is my favorite when we started bringing this in again.
Beautiful.
So this, obviously, you know stock, or I hope you know stock, but this color mauve is something that we haven't had in, I'd say within the past 6 months maybe or so.
Yes.
But this color is just kind of that dusty rose mauve color that George is going to bring in things that look so pretty with it.
Look at just the beauty of all of these colors. Up higher, there we go. The beauty of these colors, just amazing. They're just so beautiful. Look at this burgundy calla lily that we have right now. Just beautiful. The blushing bride protea.
So pretty. Yeah. Poor camera's like, I can't. Yeah, and this one too is one of those ones that when it's pretty, it is so pretty.
It's just
so
absolutely beautiful. And this guy here, holy Moses.
I'm like, Georgia, we have to add him in.
Mother of ranunculus. This is called Clooney, right?
Yeah, this is the Clooney. I always think of George Clooney. That's kind of what helps me remember it.
It's spelled totally different, but Clooney Lady Pink is what it's called. We have them.
Yes.
Beautiful long stems. You know, sometimes ranunculus isn't that long, but it's got some great stems
very
on
thick.
it.
Yeah, those flowers are seriously I mean, those
are going to open and just be fabulous.
So pretty.
And this guy here,
Kristen, so we are actually calling this the brown or the chocolate Lizzie. And
beautiful.
I can help by
look
showing
at that.
it off a little bit.
Oh my heavens, that is just so gorgeous.
So pretty. And I love the green buds along with it.
Love it.
Having that green and that brownie mauve color. I just couldn't help it. Just absolutely
paired with
Love that.
Paired with off-whites, ivory roses. Can you imagine?
So pretty.
Just gonna be so beautiful. Oh, and bunny tail.
Oh yeah, love
Look
that
at
texture.
that. Oh
Yeah,
my gosh,
isn't that fun when that happens?
Okay, now I want to design.
I know, that's kind of what I was thinking too.
Yeah.
Let's make pretty arrangements
And
today.
right along with it, talaberry. We've got talaberry again.
Love that
This
texture.
long right now, the texture is great. It's such a fun, unique item to have this time of year as we start getting into a little bit closer to August, kind of that, you know, later
Let's call it late summer. Don't
period.
yeah.
We're not going to say the
No.
word that rhymes with all.
No, not yet.
We're not going to say that one yet, but
Yes.
later summertime, this is just a great transitional
Yep.
piece that can really flow from this time frame all the way through
that next season.
those holidays that are
There you
coming
go.
up.
There you go. Yeah, I love that talaberry when it's healthy like that.
Yes, it is. It's just absolutely gorgeous.
Tansy.
And then we'll jump over
Come to
here.
my
Let's
side.
go
As
to
soon as we haven't talked
Go to your side.
I
yeah.
accidentally grabbed both of these. But the
Oh, we
calcinia,
love the calcinia.
is so pretty right now. This
Right.
is the great season for it.
Yep.
Full bunches, lots of color, so many breaks that you can use in vase
Yes.
designs and containers.
Yep.
Absolutely
And
gorgeous
can
right
I
now.
talk to this for just a second,
Yeah,
Kristen,
please
to
do.
give just a little tip here for designers. For store owners, designers, when you can't get a still bee, or if you get a still bee in and it's kind of a poor quality or not quite what you expected, or you need extra, calcinia. This is a great substitution for a still bee. Brides typically do not know the difference oftentimes. This is just, and it's far more economical than a still bee. I love a still bee. I'm not batting a still bee in any manner.
Yes,
But calcinia is something that I will go to as a sub when I need it for a still bee.
That's why I took one stem
Right.
apart, because
Look
when
at
you look
that.
at that shape is very similar.
And we have the
Yep.
white, the pink, and the hot pink tinted
Okay.
right now, which, another quick tip, if you use hot pink tinted in any bridal work, do not put it in pieces that are going to be up against the dresses because it is hot pink tinted. And do not put it in clear vases because the water will then turn that color as well.
Unless you want the water to be
Unless
pink.
you want the water to be hot pink, but I don't think you want your bride's dress to have little hot pink
Oh my
bumps
gosh,
either.
no,
So
that would be
just be careful
disaster.
with that. But I use it oftentimes in just the arrangements. Oasis arrangements, perfect for that.
Yeah,
But
okay.
the white or the pink will be perfect.
They're natural,
as still
so-
be subs for any of your bouquet work.
Yeah, thanks.
Absolutely.
I love those tips. We've got the scoops. Is this the, which one is this? Is this the raspberry? It seems a little light for the raspberry.
I think it's just the pink.
Pink scoops?
I think
okay.
it's the pink scoop, yeah.
Okay, with the scabiosa, of course, these are the scoops when they've got that little center like that.
Just love it.
Yep. Yep,
And
the texture's so
scabiosa
pretty.
continues to, I take it home all the time and put it in vases of flowers.
Yeah.
It continues to open and it continues to flourish. And I've had scabiosa, beautiful scabiosa, for almost 2 weeks in my kitchen.
That's
in
awesome.
a vase. So
Yeah.
scabiosa's actually got a good long
Base life.
life.
Yeah,
it
yeah.
really does.
It keeps
Yeah.
going and going.
It does.
Yeah, and it is so pretty if you can get your hands
It's
on it.
gorgeous.
And sometimes they come with straws when they're not
Yep.
strong, so you can't even tell.
No.
It keeps those stems
straws
really strong.
are-
I mean,
yep.
look at those are like,
This company knows how to do straws.
oh my gosh, no kidding.
They really do.
You would
And
never
I
know
nev-
that those
I
are
always
there.
leave 'em
I know.
on.
Sarah's really looking like, are
Yeah.
there straws?
There's a
Yeah,
straw
they're
right
there, but you can hardly see it.
Okay,
Yeah.
now I can, yeah.
Okay.
Barely.
Yeah, I know. They do a great
What
job.
else you got, Kristen?
I don't. Go ahead,
We've
grab.
got more of these fun calla lilies. Now this isn't the burgundy, this is the, oh
Yeah, I
gosh.
know. We had too much fun
Oh
grabbing.
my lands, we had so much fun grabbing. I totally forgot which one this is. It's a purple. I
It
know
is
that.
yes.
But look at how beautiful it is. It's got that tone. Look at the inside. Oh my goodness, it's like that dark eggplant, and then as it comes out, it turns into this kind of bluish purple.
So
it's
pretty.
just beautiful. And we've got a lot of these right now.
Yeah, and callas are great because
Right.
they just do last
Yep,
forever.
they do.
too.
Callus is another thing, long vase life. Here's another quick tip if you didn't know this, which many of you do, so forgive me, but when you put your callus into a vase of water, you don't need to put a full vase of water. Your callus only need about this much water. That will actually then keep the stem life a lot longer for you. So a
Because
little bit of
callas
water.
can get a little mushy. Their stems can
Yeah.
get a little mushy.
Right,
yeah.
they can. So if you put more water in it, it's the mushier it's going to get and go bad faster. But a little bit of water, fresh cut at the bottom, a little bit of water, about an inch or so, keep that water level up so the bottoms don't dry out, and you're actually going to have your callus for quite some time.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Okay, I've got one more item. You've got one more item.
Oh, okay.
Should we pair them? Let's bring them
What's
up.
my one more item?
Oh, well, I didn't
The-
pick this one. This was you. But it's gorgeous.
But you didn't do these either.
Oh, we didn't talk about, oh, the Nigella. Oh, bring that up, yeah, okay. Nigella pods, tansy button, oh my gosh.
Yes,
Look
I know.
it. They're just so beautiful. So again, so perfect for the late summer
Yes.
time frame, transitioning into another season. Getting
that's
ready.
coming. Yes, right.
And-
the texture. Okay, wait
And
now.
again, just so beautiful.
Only because I'm on the spot. How would I tell ageratum? Ageratum.
Yes.
We always have to think
have
about
a hard
how to
time
say
with
it.
that.
Yes. Yes,
But
I love
just
this
beautiful.
again. This reminds me of the things that are growing right now out in the fields and
Oh,
whatever,
yes.
like field flowers.
All of these
Yeah,
actually,
yeah,
wild
true.
flowers, just amazing.
Yes, yes.
And that wildflower look is still so strong. I was actually on some websites that I go to watching trends, and the wildflower look, Kristen, is still not going anywhere
Okay,
right
good.
now. It's just not. So
Okay, good, because I love it.
yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah,
So,
that's awesome.
absolutely.
Lots more
Wow.
fun things, but we can't be here all day, and my hands are freezing.
I know.
so.
I'm pretty cold too right now, but
So there's a lot going on out there. We have to go help.
Yeah,
it.
we got to go help clean it and get ready, and
Yeah.
all kinds of fun things
Super
happening.
exciting.
But
Yeah.
this is a snippet from our cooler today for
Yeah.
you guys, and
Get 'em
we
in your
have
cart
it.
so
Get
you
'em
can
in your
have 'em.
cart. Buy them. You guys know what to do, right?
For sure. Have a great week, everybody.